Welcome to Slickplan. Let's explore how to add and manage comments on your diagrams. To add a comment, click the comments icon on the toolbar. Your cursor will change to a comment icon. Click on a diagram where you want to place your comment. Type your comment, tag a user, or add emojis to enhance engagement. Once you're done, click the send button to share. To reply to a comment, click on the user's avatar, type your reply, and hit enter. Need to delete a comment? Click the trash can icon in the pop-up for thread deletion or hover over a specific comment to delete it. To edit a comment, hover over the dotted icon and click the pencil. Make your changes and click update. Once resolved, mark it as such in the pop-up. You can find all resolved comments using the show filter. The comments panel on the right shows all team messages. Use the search option to find specific comments and the show filter to toggle between active and resolved ones. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.